As I continue to review what all of the stores are offering this Halloween season, my next target is, well, Target. Last year I went a week before Halloween and they were down to the dregs. So this year I went much earlier on the last week of September and they were certainly better stocked. They had a lot of the usual suspects like pumpkin-shaped decorations, the obligatory Halloween lanterns, the now ubiquitous skeletal animals, light-up creepy branches, studded pumpkins, which we've seen several variations of at this point. And speaking of variations, they had their own versions of other items that seem to be popular this year, like the old-timey radio and old-timey projectors. Now, they have some really great items for you haunters out there. This would look great on a lawn, but for me it's all about the housewares. In the constant battle between high design and Halloween, I try to avoid items that are made of plastic or are overly garish, no matter how cool they are. And they have some pretty cool stuff like that this year. So for instance, this bowl wouldn't work for me year-round. But these totally would. The bowl is made of glass and the base has the look and feel of metal. Ooh, and they had a bigger size as well. Of the pumpkins, I could definitely get year-round use out of one of these, especially if I put a battery-operated candle inside. And it came in a bigger size as well. I also like this basic black one. It's hard to go wrong with spiderweb tablecloths. If you watch regularly, then you know my clutter eliminating technique for covering piles of spooky junk with these. Ha! There were also some purple lighting options that seemed perfect, but I ultimately deemed them too Halloweeny for the lair. Honorable mentions include this sleek skeletal wine bottle holder. And they had a new decanter this year, but I dare say the one I got from them last year I feel looked more authentically Victorian. I absolutely adored this Ouija board serving tray. It's heavy duty and gorgeous, and for $20 it's a steal, but sadly it's just not the right colors for the lair, so I had to pass. It's really great though. Lastly, I picked up this pumpkin carving set because despite me being surprisingly bad at it, what's Halloween without carving a jack-o'-lantern, or 10? And this is my Target 2018 Halloween haul. Once again, Target proves to be a great source for Gothic homemaking, with novel items for Halloween decorating, as well as the occasional high-design piece perfect for year-round use in a macabre abode. Tune in as I wind down my reviews of Halloween offerings for 2018 with my last couple stores. Who do you think it should be? Tell me in the comments what store I should review next. Until then, happy Halloweenies! Are you still lurking? Well, one of you is going to get a chance to win this pumpkin. And all you have to do is tell me, what is the bullseye in your happiness target? If you had a target with all of the things that make you happy, what would be that ultimate thing right in the middle? That happiness bullseye. Tell me in the comments below, and one lucky winner is going to get this from me and the Lair of Voltaire. Happy Halloween.